Today I'll be using the Anastasia Riviera Palette to create this matte peachy halo eye. It's a very easy, everyday look using just 3 shades, perfect for Easter brunch with the family this weekend. After priming and setting the eye, I'm first sweeping a state into the crease and smoking it out towards the brow. This satin warm light peach is the perfect transition shade for me. I've been using it in almost all of my looks recently. I'm also sweeping it along the lower lash line. Switching to the fluffy side of the brush, I'm buffing out any harsh edges. Next, I'm packing Coastline into the outer and inner corners. When there's not much product left on the brush, begin to connect the corners along the crease. This shade is very similar to Estate in that it's a matte, warm peach, but being just a smidge darker, it's going to add dimension to the eye. Once I'm happy with the intensity, I'm flipping back to the fluffy side to blend the edges into the transition shade. Lining up with the upper lid, I'm packing Coastline onto the lower lid as well. Again, blend the edges into the transition shade. Next, I'm packing Sails onto the center of the lid, which is a matte white. If you've noticed a pattern by now, you may know what to do. Blend the edges with the fluffy side of the brush. Because this is such a simple look, there should be no reason for you not to take your time with your blending here. If you're having trouble blending Sails into Coastline, you can add a touch of Estate where they meet to help them out. After all of that blending, the highlight has faded quite a bit, so I'm going in with more Sails to make sure the center of my lid is nice and bright. And one more blend for luck. I'm also using Sails to highlight the brow bone, using what's left over on my brush to soften any harsh edges. Highlight the inner corner with Sails as well. This is optional, but I'm using a nude eyeliner to brighten the waterline. And that's it! Finish off the look with some mascara and you're done! I've never done an all matte eyeshadow look before, but I'm loving how this came out. What do you think? Is there anything you'd do differently? Let me know in the comments. This is the 5th look I've done in a row with this palette, so I think it's time I took a little break from it and gave the rest of my collection some love. I post new tutorials every Friday, so please subscribe if you want to see more. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Thanks for watching! You can find a product list in the description box below.